Time to make lunch for 8 daycare kids. When we first got up here, I started some ground beef in the microwave. I'll take that. Thank you. I'm gonna make some homemade Hamburger Helper for the kids today. So I'm cooking some ground beef here quick, and then we'll get the rest of lunch going. The kids are playing blockaroos. I'll show you what those are in a minute. But I'm just breaking this ground beef and onions up, and then I'm gonna put it back in the microwave for like 5 more minutes. Riel, you're such a good teacher. All right, while that is finishing cooking, I'm gonna add 6 cups of water to my pot. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this beef bouillon flavor. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. This isn't spicy at all either. Thank you. Then I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is from a can I had previously opened and used out of, and then I froze the rest. So it's a little frozen still. Hey, what? Okay, I'm also going to wash some strawberries. Should we have strawberries? Yeah. I'm gonna soak them for just a little bit here. You like strawberries? I do not. Strawberries are so yummy. I'm just gonna add a capful of this Thieves fruit and veggie soap. What do you got? What is it? A piece of plastic. You bring that to Jessica? Is it like a wrapper? Thank you. Alright, my ground beef is done. You can see it's not pink anymore. And if it is, oh, a little bit of it is. If I wasn't like cooking it on the stove, I'd probably put it back in for another minute or 2, but it's gonna continue to get cooked in here. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna bring this to the stove and bring it to a boil and mix it up good. So I'm going here, and you can see the ground beef is all drained. So that's nice. Alright, I'm bringing this to the stove. And I'm just gonna bring this to a boil, basically. And then once it's boiling, I'm gonna add 2½ cups of elbow noodles. These are blockaroos. We absolutely love them. They're super fun. Alright, this is boiling, so I'm going to add my noodles and turn it down to like medium and cook it for about maybe like 13-ish minutes, 13, 14 minutes. Since there's one compartment left, I'm going to give the kids a couple, just 2 little mini chocolate chip cookies for a little dessert. It got loud. The kids are cleaning up, but this is done, and I'm just going to add maybe like 3 cups of cheese, something like that. It's even cold right now. Kiwi is a bad word. Kiwi is not a bad word. Alright, there's our homemade hamburger helper. You guys clean up all the blockaroos? I still see some.
I still see two.
I will come around with ranch for salad if they want it and ketchup for their pasta if they want it. But there is lunch today.